My name's Lydia and I live in the Logan home area, and I bought my water filter for the whole house system, for the whole house. And what else? I love it. My son-in-law, Blake, he got one himself and he loved it and just said how great it was. And when I got jealous and thought, yeah, I'd like to have one too, because the showering, because I like hot water, and even in summer, and I just kept thinking my pores are just soaking up all those chemicals that are so dangerous to me that it was like showering in a cesspool. So yeah, I thought, now I've had enough, I'll ring up. So he sent me your link and I rang up, and you guys were very obligable, and you came over and you dropped it off. Well, not particularly you guys, but somebody dropped it off, and then I had to wait about a month for the plumber to come around and install. And I've been happy ever since. I drink from the tap now. I don't have to buy any bottled water. And the shower screen too isn't all calcium-y and claggy and that. It's clearer. And yeah, the water tastes so much better with the filter than with normal tap water. Well, some days the council will be working and the pipes would be and sloshy, and it'd be like rust coming out. Ever since then, we've had no issue with any of that. So when they've worked on it, we've still got clear water. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So yeah. Yes, definitely. For everybody who cares enough about themselves to be healthy. You know, it's not just food, it's also what you put in, you know, your fluids and that. And it's so important to make sure that you're not drinking poisons and heavy metals and whatever else, calcium and whatever else they'll put into that water. So yeah, I would recommend my water filter for everybody. Anybody who's a bit concerned about what they're drinking and their health, you got to have one, you really do. And I'm so happy. I should have done it earlier. That's my only downfall, is I didn't do it earlier. And thank God for my son-in-law who bragged about it so much that I had to have one too. So, yeah.